Good morning, student. So today in this robotics session, we will be learning about designing of a seismometer, or you can say seismograph, along with the Richter scale. Okay. So in order to design this device, we need to have one cardboard box. Okay. One paper cup, then A4 sheet we will take and we will make this scale. Then one sketch pen, you can take. Okay. So first we will make two grooves parallelly in this cardboard box so that we can fix this scale easily here. Okay. And we have to fix in such a way that, and in this paper cup in between we have to fix the scale, so we have to make one hole here. Okay. And this with the help of thread we have to fix in the top. Here we have to fix in the, okay. Later on, using this scale we have to fix here in this groove, and we have to fix in such a way that this color sketch pen needle must come in contact with the paper. Okay. So as soon as any kind of disturbance occur, it will shake. Okay, this will shake and it will make some kind of creation in this scale. So this seismograph is generally used to measure the effect of earthquake, and I hope most of you might have felt the effect of earthquake. Okay, now question comes, what is earthquake and how it occurs? So earthquake is a natural calamity in which earth shakes. Now why does earth shakes? Earth shakes as earth is consist of approx 7 plates. Plates like African plates are there, Eurasian plates are there, which is consist of this Europe. Europe is consist of Eurasian, that is why its name has been given, Eurasian plates. Then we have Indian, Australian plates, North American plates, South American plates, Pacific plates. So there are total 7 plates are there. Now these plates, on account of molten lava which is present in the bottom of the earth, as earth is a huge massive object, very massive, so you can see the pressure inside. So whatever the matter inside is there inside the earth, they have changed into molten lava, and whenever this molten lava get any kind of plain surface, hollow surface, they try to erupt, and that is why we have volcanic eruption somewhere. You might have heard the word volcanic eruption. And when this volcanic eruption occurs, that time there is a disbalance happens, and that is how these plates get collided among each other. So whenever, and like in India, in northern part we having earthquake effect. So in this, our Indian plate, that is Indo-European plates, get collided with the Eurasian plates, and whenever two plates collides, and in between them there will be creation of mountain. That is why in the northern India we having Himalayan mountain ranges. Now you might have understood why and scientists are predicting that every year this height of Himalaya is keep on rising. So this is the reason. So say suppose this is the Eurasian plate and this is the Indian plate, and they just colliding each other. That is why in between there is a creation of mountain ranges. And you know, in pre-Cambrian period, our Indian plate, which was a part of Africa, and it has been traveled from the African plates toward the Eurasian plates, and they have collided. That is why the formation of mountain occurs. Now we will talk about the utility of this device. So the major advantage of this utility is to measure the intensity of the earthquake. As soon as we will measure what is the effect and what is the intensity of this, we will take some kind of preemptive action, or you can say we can do some kind of proactive action, like Japan did. As you will see in the news, in Japan most of the time they suffer with the earthquake effect. Why? Because there is a collision of Pacific, North American and South American plates. So most of the time in Japan there will be number of earthquake effect will be there. So using this device seismometer, they measure the intensity, okay, and based on that measurement they take preemptive action, or you can say they do some kind of proactive action, and in that sense they design their homes of lighter material. some fiber materials. No, in our side we have some concrete materials we are used for our homes. And okay, that is why if at all any earthquake happen na, then it creates so much of nuisance, or you can say so much of damage, and it takes so much of life. In Japan, they will design their home with the lighter materials, okay, so that if at all any earthquake will also come na, then it will damage very little, and will only just destroy the things and no human harms will happen, okay, and they will save their lives. So this is the advantage of this device, okay. Now I hope all of you have understood the concept of earthquake, why it occurs, what is the reason, and what is the advantage of this device. So say suppose earthquake occurs, so it will shake this way. Okay, so whenever it will shake na, so there will be marking will occur in this seismometer, and say this is called Richter scale. So if the marking will be higher, the amplitude will be higher na, so we will say the intensity of this earthquake is very much high, and if it is in lower, if the amplitude is very lower, then we will say the intensity of earthquake is very less. So this is how we will measure the intensity of the earthquake. So I hope you can easily design this device and you can show me the measurement, okay, of this Richter scale. Thank you.